In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87af000b. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear your Microsoft Store cached and junk files. Press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.txt and click on OK to proceed. Wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to fix the problem. And once you are done, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. And if not, move on to the second. And that is you need to run the PowerShell first. Navigate here at the search bar and type for PowerShell. Then if the best match has been seen, navigate directly to the right side and run it as an administrator. So I want you to copy the link or the command, sorry, that I have given at the YouTube description. Please copy it. And then once you have copied this one, I want you to paste it to the PowerShell. So this will help you to fix the problem. So minimize the notepad once you have pasted it on that. And then you need to copy and then paste it here again at the Windows PowerShell. So in order to paste it, all you need to do is you need to make a right click once this would be ready for you. Make a right click in this way, click on the enter key in your keyboard to start the procedure. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.